Hi guys, so excited. I'm just got my Glitter Planet mystery box for April. Now I'm in Australia and I've been going on every day on YouTube to see the UK ladies put theirs up and they haven't. So I'm in Australia, so shame on you ladies. I got the very first mystery box that's going on YouTube. Yes, shame on you. I'm in Australia, girls. What's your excuses? You're in the UK where it's made and you still haven't put your videos up. Okay, I'm not naming names, but you know who you are. Okay, let me get this. Okay, there's the box. Alright, let me get all these little things out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, Glitter Planet. I also ordered their 2 acrylic overload, mystery overloads, which I cannot wait for. This is the April box, I think. Okay. Okay. Jesus. Just rip it open. Ooh, what have we got? Oh my gosh. Okay. So we've got some foils. Let me sit on some pillows, that way I can see my viewfinder. Sit on 3 pillows. Okay. That's cool. Oh Jesus, that sticky thing is so annoying. Okay. Oh, now it's all wrinkly. Jesus Christ. Alright. Maybe I should have had my medication before doing this. This is stressful. Alright. I'm not opening this one. That's cool. Oh, yes. I don't have anything from this brand. I'll rip it open with my teeth, maybe. Well, I'll just leave it in case you can see. It's not that big. I like big ass nails. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, this one's a lot bigger, and you can do it's got the patterns for doing the stiletto, which I love, the extreme stiletto, and I love the little star signs. That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. Love those. Oh, it's a cuticle. Rip it open with my teeth. We don't need scissors here, we just need our teeth. Our badly damaged teeth. Can't really smell anything. It's got no smell. Oh, it's got I like that nice grapefruit type. Lemongrass. Oh, I do like lemongrass. I really do like lemongrass. That's what I pick for all my flavours, for burning stuff. And it's got a subtle smell, yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow, I needed one. Oh, wouldn't you know, I just bought me one on, what's that thing called? Shein. With all the stamping plates. Oh, that's awesome. Ooh. Stamping plate. How cool is that? With a little jelly thing. And Oh, two jelly things. It's one on each side. And look at the little crystals on the bottom. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, and oh, so glitter planet. Oh look, and it's got the little star sign things. Oh, is that the little plate that you... I'm still a beginner, so I'm not sure how to actually use those. Maybe I can watch the UK ladies when they finally get their box. Maybe they can do something with those. Yeah, I'm being cheeky, I know. Alright. What's this? Oh. Oh, I need glasses. I can't read that. Stamping polish. Oh, stamping polish. Okay. Black. Okay. Awesome. So that goes with that, I'd imagine. Oh yes, I love acrylic. My first Nailmate acrylic, snowy day. I wish they had the larger ones. I know they got, you know, the smaller ones. You can pick from the larger ones. Hopefully there's a large one in here. But that looks very pretty, doesn't it? Maybe we'll do a separate swatch video. That's gorgeous. If I had to guess, I'd say that's 15 mil. Oh, it doesn't say. Yeah. Ooh, drill bit. Awesome. Oh wow. So this one is a Nailmate. It just says Nailmate. Oh, cuticle cartridge bit. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Oh, sorry. I don't know if he's just seeing that. Yeah. Ooh, pink. I'm more into acrylics and gels. Just dabbled in gels. But this looks gorgeous. Beautiful pink, and I got a neighbour that loves pink. Oh, she'd love this colour. Oh, look at the cute little... I see what you mean, Joe Nail Addict. I like watching your videos, and I see what you mean by the cute little stubby brush. And there's another UK lady I like watching, Conjure Up Nails as well. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. 14 mil. Beautiful. There's a cord again. Powder puff. I like how you have it written there for us that are in our 40s and need reading glasses. Oh yeah, can never have too many of these. I love these. I don't like the short ones, you know. Yeah, I like the long stiletto ones. So that's awesome. And there's a fair amount there. Let's put with the little rings. That's awesome. Oh, what else have we got? Oh my gosh. Wow, what kind of tips? Oh, these are real curvies, aren't they? It's a size 5. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, wow, these are real curvies, aren't they? Oh, is that one? Oh, that's one. No. Is it? Oh, that's one. Jesus. Lucky I've got tiny little nails. Oh, geez, that is real curvy, isn't it? It's not really my cup of tea. Very unusual. It feels like, see how small it is? Like it feels like there's a couple stuck in there. Like you feel like, maybe it is. Yeah, it is. No? Well, let me try another bag. I am disappointed when I watch other boxes. I usually see they get 2 or 3 of these, or at least a couple of these. Bit disappointed I only got one of each. If I'm being honest. Okay, so these are the Diva Nail Tips, 500 pieces. Let's try another one. Geez, they're all like that, aren't they? Weird. Look, it's a good quality. It's thick, it's not thin. But it just feels like there's 2 stuck together all the time. It's got a weird squishiness to it. It's very weird. And the way it's shaped there, I know it's the Wells kind of where you stick it on, you know. Geez, that almost fits my thumb. I've got number 3. Yeah, I've got tiny little nail beds. I'm always extra small with press-ons when I order. I'd probably need a 2 actually, because I don't know, that might fit me well. No, yeah, a bit small, but I don't know. I mean, they don't look too bad, you know. Yeah, something different. And probably the best part is this part, the glitters. Love my glitters. We'll take one out at a time. So this is Pastel Party. I thought of doing an inspiration, like where a glitter inspiration for acrylic nails, where I just pick out one of my glitters and I look at the colours, and then I do acrylic designs based on those colours, because I just don't know what to do. Oh, that's pretty. Bouquet. Oh, that's gorgeous. Pinks. They're like metallics. Greens, pinks, purples, blues. What's that one? Pastel Party. That's like fluoro yellow, purple, and aqua. Teal, aqua. A unicorn gem. Oh, that's why it's called unicorn. They're like little triangles. That's cute. Oh wow, Aurora Daisy. Oh, that's gorgeous. Like little star daisies. They're gorgeous. 3 millimeters, 3 grams. Ooh, bronze. That's gorgeous. And last one is pastel butterflies mix. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Yeah. So I'm just curious to know what you think about the April box. So that's what I got for the April box. It's not bad. I personally like acrylic, so I would have liked to have seen more acrylic, like another one or two acrylics. I would have said keep that and give me an acrylic, or keep these and give me 2 more acrylic jars, but oh well. Well, it's my first experience of this, and I've got 2 acrylic boxes coming in the mystery overload, so I'll get my acrylic fix. Yeah. Oh, and also these as well. You know, I'm kind of neutral. What's this, about £40? That's probably close to 70 Australian dollars. Plus the shipping as well, another 15 on top for shipping. Don't know how much I would have paid roughly. Probably close to $100 Australian with shipping and everything. Hold on, let me work it out. Say 40, 70. Yeah, close to 100 Australian, maybe more than 90 Australian dollars. Alright, thanks for watching. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Glitter Planet. Bye.